Here to show us is cleaning and organisation expert Anita Birges. Great to have you with us.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
I am
happy
great.
winter.
Thank you so much. How
your
bad is
favourite
this
month of the
rain?
year?
How bad is the rain at the moment? I have had so many people sending me photos of their lounge room and living room covered in laundry right now.
Very popular.
Biggest drying tips.
Okay, let's start. First of all, with an airer, I want you to put it close to a window, okay? I was actually talking to somebody in the studio back here before and he was saying, but I leave it next to the window, nothing happens. You know why? Because you didn't leave the window open.
Right.
Even if it's raining, even if it's raining,
Yeah.
leave it open just a crack,
Okay.
Because even just a small crack can make the biggest difference, okay? Because then at least you have the moist air escaping from your home instead of it being soaked back into your home. Okay, and also an oscillating fan is great to have because you want air circulating. You want to be drying in the warmest room of your house, not the coldest room, because cold, stagnant air does nothing to your washing.
Keeps it
North-facing room is a great room to have it in, but never in the bedroom.
Never in the bedroom?
Never in the bedroom. Never dry clothes in the bedroom. It's bad for allergies, mildew, moisture. You don't want that all circulating inside your bedroom.
Okay, big bulky items.
Okay, so when it comes to linen and towels and stuff like that,
Yes.
you can use something called a sheet detangler, which is great. So you don't end up with that big wet ball in your dryer if you're using it on the dryer.
I want one
It's
of
very
those.
clever, very, very clever. Also, bulky items and thick items like hoodies, trackies, jeans. I want you, this is brilliant, halfway through the dry cycle, whether it's your dryer or the airer, turn it inside out because it dries from the outside in. So you'll cut it down. I know, little things make a difference.
Do you use balls?
I brought them
those.
actually.
Yeah.
The dryer balls, and if you don't have dryer
woolen
balls,
ones.
if you don't have dryer balls, stick in some tennis balls.
Yeah.
Tennis balls because it just keeps everything circulating.
Puffer jackets as well and stuff like that.
Puffer jackets I wouldn't put in the dryer if you can. Like I would let it dry
They
first
clump
flat
up, don't they?
on something like a drying mat, like this what you'd use for your woolens and stuff.
Right,
and then you put it in the dryer.
I was like, oh my goodness.
That's right, and then you put it in the dryer and fluff it all up. So with towels, also I want to speak about with towels. In the bathroom, if you're using hooks like that at the end, just draping it on a hook, big no-no. I want you to either spread it out on something like a towel hanger.
Yes.
Okay, great idea, because then again it stops mildew and moisture in your bathroom. Or grab yourself a towel warmer. Very little cheap alternative for your
the size of
bathroom.
that thing?
It's so cool.
Yeah, they're so good.
And when it comes to big sheets, and if you're having you don't have a dryer, right? These are the coolest thing I have found in ages. They're spiral sheet hangers.
Oh, look at
So you
those.
actually are still getting the separation in between because you don't want to be overflowing your airer because you need to create airflow. So if you put too much on your airer, nothing's going to dry.
It looks
You see
like
what I mean?
Daniel's costume from Karate Kid.
It's
back in the 80s.
But how cool is this? I think this is brilliant.
That's great. Now, what is this? A dehumidifier?
Dehumidifier. I think every home that has any mildew or moisture problem should grab themselves a dehumidifier. It's about the same price or less than a dryer. And what I loved about this one is it covers 60 square metres. Okay, it holds 25 litres of water, as well as it's got a drain pipe and on wheels. So if you want to just take it out to the garden and drain, you can do that as well and recycle the water. But the most important tip I want to tell you is an extra spin cycle. An extra spin cycle after you're washing, you don't actually realise how much more water escapes. And then it cuts down your drying time, lowers your bills, and you won't have this all over your living room.
That's a good idea.
Cool, how cool is
Aren't
that?
they good?
I was today years old. I never knew you could get these giant ones.
If they're really
That's so
cool, you get 4 for about $18. Okay, I grab them off Amazon, and I love them for the towels, to dry the towels. So instead of it also taking up valuable real estate on my airer, got it happening
Always
somewhere
something
else.
I want to steal from the stuff you bring in.
Well, that's why I brought a spare one.
There you go.